Hi, it's Ken here from Smart Forex Education. Just wanted to check in with yourself. Just took a quick couple of minutes away from my family during this Easter holiday. And I wanted to walk through and show you the entry setup that took place last Thursday, which was on the 5th of April. I entered a trade on gold, and I wanted to walk through the exact setup and now how I'm managing the position. So what you can see here, this is a daily chart of gold. Okay, so we can clearly see we've seen a strong rally to the upside from generally up until about September, October times. Then we saw a massive sell-off that occurred. And now the market has been trading in a range. Okay, so it's been trading in a tight range, but what we've been seeing slightly lower highs in the peak in prices and also higher highs. So we're seeing a type of flag shape occurring. So the opportunity that I was looking at, if I zoom in closer here, is that since March, since towards the end of February, we've seen a bit of a sell-off in the market. Now this is on a daily chart. And this has been generally due to the strike that commenced in India. So people that are purchasing gold, there was a strike due to the tax hikes, and obviously people are unhappy about that. But we've now seen the strike end, and there seems to be more demand, a little bit more demand coming into the market. So what we need to do is what I did is I wanted to locate an opportunity of a buy. I didn't want to be too early into the market. So based on my flush trade setup, and if you don't know what it is, don't worry. Just go back on one of the previous tutorials where I covered the profitable trading flush setup. Where I go through why enter the trade, how to understand who you're trading against the markets, and how to take advantage, basically. It's quite simple. So what I did, I drew a trend line. If I zoom out here, it's a basic uptrend line. So the market has been making higher highs. So the overall direction is to the upside long term. And what I did is I drew in lower lows on the price. And I identified that there were some sellers that were looking to get short, or that did get short, for a trade to the downside. They got caught out. Price held very nice at the 50% Fibonacci retracement from a larger swing, which I took from the July 2011 lows all the way up to the highs, and we saw, as you can see here, and we saw it holding very, very nice. Then we saw an additional cluster from another time frame. So I said this presents a nice opportunity. What I would like to wait for is some form of a momentum shift where we can see some more demand moving back into the market. So the demand occurred from the session. If you take a look here, that was on the, let's look at this exact date. We saw the demand that was on the 4th that we saw, and then we saw a push up on the 5th, and that was the opportunity that presented itself. So I entered the trade on, I've got my MT4 platform here. I entered the trade on the 5th of April, and it was at 1938. Don't worry, guys. What I'll do, I'll also take a screenshot of my MT4 platform so you could see the current position I'm in for transparency. Like we always do, part of the Smart Forex Education, we like to be as transparent as possible with our trades, because as you're aware, there's a lot of people out there that paint a picture that they're entering trades, and they take a screenshot after the event and say, yes, I banked this. But we like to be transparent. We like to be honest with our execution. So we show you our current orders. Okay, you cannot get more transparent than that, let's just say. So what I'll be doing is, following this video, I'll be sending the screenshot as an image, so you can clearly see the entry, the time, the lot size. I only entered one lot, so not a huge size on this trade. And basically what I'm looking to do, I'm going to trial my stop to break even and sell out half of my position. And my targets in this trade will be, if I just ball down here, targets on the trade, if I just show you here, 25%. So if we can get up to 1656.23, I'd want to sell out another half of the position. Okay, so I'm looking to sell out half the position now. Take off, so I'm in one lot, $10. Going to take off half the position, trial my stop to break even. Then if it gets up to around 16.56 level, then I will take another half of the remaining position off and again trial my stop. So if you have any questions, then please just send me an email regarding this play and how I'm managing it, or any other issues you may have regarding trading. Maybe you don't really know how to enter a trade. Maybe your preparation is not up to standard. Maybe that you don't see yourself as a trader, you're not consistent. Any issues you're having, let me know. I'm sure there's a way that I could assist you, that my community can assist you and improve your trading setups. Anyway, guys, I better rush off and get back with my family and have a nice meal. And I'll speak to you soon. Take care.